First off, I would like to make sure everyone likes my hat. I'm gonna wear the devil out of this today on the hike. We're at Cloudland Canyon State Park in Trenton, Georgia. And we are, I think we're going on the Cloudland Rim Loop Trail. It's about 6.8 miles. Got here a couple hours later than we wanted to, but it's okay. We're taking the day off, and it's like 40, I don't know, high 40s, low 50 degrees here today, but it's really cold. My face is cold. This trail is really pretty. There's another little trail that, depending on how tired we are when we come back, we might take. I think it's just a short one. It's called Waterfall Trail, and it's right down at the bottom of here. You can actually probably hear the waterfalls that are all down there. So hopefully we can see them on this trail. We're on the West Rim Loop Trail now. It's a little more crowded than I prefer. There's been quite a few people on here, and I know it's Sunday morning, so that is part of it. I probably should have done the busier hike on a weekday, but it's okay. I'm gonna enjoy nature and enjoy the trail, and I'll show you guys some of my adventure along the way. Oh my gosh, you guys, I come around the corner and look what I see. Gorgeous creek running down. Hopefully I get to hear this relaxing sound the whole hike, although if I do, I might need a nap when we get to wherever we're gonna have our snack. What have we here, you may ask? Oh, that's a cave. Let's take a little tour inside. I've actually never come across a cave on a trail. This trail so far has been a lot of up. It's a very nice and well maintained trail. Even the up parts have like logs and stuff across, so it's steps, so you're not just scaling straight up, but it's a lot of up, so hopefully I'm sure we will have great views at the top. We are at a crossroads, my friends, so I guess we're going backwards because we were at 4 and now we're at checkpoint 3. Whatever, it's a loop, it goes around. I guess this is because it's a loop, but you can go this way or you can go that way or this way. Let's pick a way and go, I guess. My hiking buddy behind me was attempting to sing a beautiful round of Kumbaya. Yeah. And then she stopped and she's wondering what's a good outdoors hiking song to sing. As much as I love music and know a lot of music, I can't think of one.
How about?
Do you guys have a song that you sing on the trail? Or do you just hike along peacefully and quietly through nature? Comment below and let me know if you have a beautiful nature song that you like to belt out on the trail. I think it's about time for a snack. We've been walking for who knows how long. I think we're halfway done with the trail and I haven't had anything since breakfast and water is not filling me up at this point, so I think we gotta find a spot with a nice view, maybe perhaps a view of a waterfall or a stream, although I don't hear any near where we are right now, and have some snacks. Try to find a place with a really cool view to have lunch or a snack, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm hungry, but I haven't found, like, the whole trail is beautiful, but there hasn't been a place with like a water view or like a distant view of the mountains. And although I could technically plop and eat at any time, I always have this fear that, and it's not really a fear, but I'm going to plop and eat my snack, and then like 10 steps just around the corner there's going to be this beautiful scenery that I could have enjoyed while eating, and I won't be able to take advantage of it because, I mean, I guess I could, but I won't be able to have that moment of eating and having a cool view. So right now I'm really hungry. I'm going to have to eat, view or not, regardless, because I need fuel to finish this hike. It's very rocky towards the end of the trail here. Still haven't had a snack, by the way, but it's not bad. Like, I'm not climbing or anything. It's just a lot of rocks, so I have my high steps turned on so I can step over these rocks without falling and breaking my face. Hey, home, back up to heaven all alone.
What if God was one of us? Just a stranger on a bus. What's your part? I don't know.
I don't know the whole lyric. I just know, yeah. Yeah.
How about this little light of mine? I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. How about you, Ash? Are you gonna let it shine?
No.
This little light.
I don't want to sing that song.
I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine.
We are at a rocky up part. And I still haven't had a snack. But we're near the end of the trail, so I'll probably just end up having my snack on a picnic table at the campground. That's what it looks like is gonna happen. Whew. Are we still on the trail? There's a yellow thing here. Guess we're on the trail. Keep your eye on those, then you won't get lost. Y'all that gave up on finding a snack spot, and I'm just eating my snack on trail. I'm too hungry. We're almost to the end of the hike, and we're gonna go eat. And I need energy to finish the hike. So Cliff Bar it is. But we're almost done. 4 point, maybe a little bit more, I don't know, somewhere close to 5 miles. It's a beautiful day. The weather's about 60 degrees, sunshine. It's nice to have a break from the rain in the Tennessee winter. When you first start out on the trail and you're all jubilant because everything is wonderfully downhill, well, if it's a loop trail that has the same exit, such as this trail that we're on, what you go down, you have to go up. Now it's time for the stairs. Hike is almost over in a steady uphill ascent. Hungry. I think I mentioned that before. But it's been another awesome hike. West Rim Loop Trail at Cloudland Canyon State Park. Really beautiful and peaceful, and even for a Sunday, I mean there's been some traffic on the trail, but even for a Sunday, it's not that bad. It's actually, there was long parts of the trail, especially past the water, where it was just us for long periods of time. So it's another one I recommend. Wait. Before we go, I want to make sure you guys get the chance to see the entire spectacular hiking outfit.